This is a long movie. So, enjoy! It's time for Dipsy's Pranks. Hi everyone, Dipsy here. And welcome to Dipsy's Pranks. I have this Tubby custard cup. And it's filled with Tubby custard. Now, I will put the burping pill on the Tubby custard. Let's get started. Let's start the prank.
That was good breakfast. I am a go play with my ball.
Now, let's see how it goes.
Meanwhile,
La 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 la. Oh, excuse me. I'll keep playing with my ball. La 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 la. Oh geez Louise. I keep on burping.
Why is Lala burping so much?
Oh. Eh? Oh Dipsy.
Why are you burping so much?
I don't know. Can't help it.
Well, it's because I had to give you Tubby custard and a burping pill.
You did what?
This is a long Well, it's because I had to give you Tubby custard and a burping pill.
You did what?
I pranked you.
Dip.
Well, it's because I had to give you Tubby custard and a burping pill.
You did what?
I pranked you.
Dip. C. Ugh.
Thanks for watching. Requested by Devon324/Puggy423, 3rd channel.